Fasting has become so popular these days due to its healing powers. Fasting is no longer put off by many of us because we have found great benefits for the body, for the mind, for our entire being. It is highly recommended by the medical industry to improve our health, to remove diseases, to maintain our well-being. Many doctors, you can find them online talking, promoting how fasting is an ancient practice, but it has brought new light to it. How does fasting work? Well, autophagy is the way how fasting works. Autophagy is your body's cellular recycling system. It allows the cell to disassemble its junk parts and repurpose the salvageable bits and pieces into new usable parts. Basically, it discards the old parts of the body that you do not need anymore, and it replenishes it with good parts that can be used. Autophagy is also a kind of a quality control for your cells. So really, fasting helps us to manage our cells, to improve the quality of our cells, so we can clean up bad cells, clean up our system, detox toxin from our body. That's why it's called a detox program. Fasting is detoxing our body, replenishing it with good cells. The main theory behind fasting is that once the body is rid of its toxins, detoxified, then the healing process can begin. So a qualified natural care specialist will be able to determine the best time to break the fast and gradually return to a normal resumption of healthy food. A period of fasting is normally followed by another period of rejuvenation that may involve the use of certain herbs or probiotics, which is friendly bacterial foods or supplements, and foods that build up our strength and vitality. Surely fasting burns up excess fat and reduces excess weight. Alternatively, for underweight people, it enables the digestive system to become efficient so that food energy can be better converted into needed body weight. Fasting is shown to allow a metabolic switch from burning sugar and fat into fuel. Fasting causes the breakdown and excretion of poisonous wastes that have been clinging to body tissues. Hence, it improves the tissue quality. It clears the mind, sharpens the senses, and improves the memory. An empty stomach no longer draws extra blood for digestion, hence allowing the brain to access to more energy. Many famous personalities who make public speeches have a rule: fast before an important speech and eat later. Fasting is very effective in removing unnatural growths in the body. Very often naturopaths recommend fasting as their most effective system for curing tumors, diseased tissues, sores, skin trouble. Fasting is also very recommended for cancer patients. Doctors are now looking at how to manage cancer with fasting. However, it should be done, of course, under proper supervision. Many doctors have found the benefits of fasting in reducing inflammation, especially inflammation of the joints. It rejuvenates the entire system and restores vitality to all cells, tissues, and blood vessels. It slows down the aging process and increases longevity. Besides, it gives a radiant and more youthful complexion. The pores are no longer clogged with waste and prevent skin sagging. intermittent fasting has found to be very useful in improving insulin sensitivity. Fasting also helps in the glands and organs to maintain their normal secretion, especially the increase also in growth hormone. It has found to be very helpful in insomnia as it relaxes the nervous system and eases anxieties. When toxin is removed, generally we find it's easy to manage our stress level. Studies have also shown that those who fast once a month, they were 40% less likely to have clogged arteries than those who did not fast. Fasting has been practiced in many spiritual pursuits as it conserves energy and allows it to be rechanneled for higher and spiritual pursuits such as deep meditation. Fasting, however, is not for children, for pregnant women who are breastfeeding, mothers who are breastfeeding, for very old aged people, and especially those who are eating disorders. If they do so, it's better under proper supervision by a professional. Fasting is best done under supervision, especially if you're new to fasting. Even if you're not new to fasting, if your fasting is supervised, you are taught how to get into fasting, get out of fasting, and to maintain that optimum health level after the fast. If you're interested to join the fasting program, there are 2 detox programs coming up very soon. One in September 23rd to 29th of September in Vilnius, and another one in Azerbaijan on the 1st to the 7th of October.